hope you're all doing good. This is TK Ani. My name is Tammy, and welcome to my channel. This is all about plants, DIYs, renovation, traveling, backpacking, hiking, and everything I love doing. Today I am going to be showing you some of my plants, and I am so excited and happy because I just got a new collection of Alocasias, and I am going to introduce you some of them, and I hope you like them. I have so many plants that have grown and I have to repot them. So I am here with some potting soil. I put some orchid bark in here, and also I will be mixing some perlite and then some worm casting and some charcoal. So I'm going to make sure to mix all this well first. So I have here this new alocasia. It's called heavy metal. I don't know if you can see. But first of all, let me mix the soil well, because I just put the bark in here and potting mix soil, and then I need to add some charcoal. We want the roots to be very airy, so you can adjust to the new pot. So that's why I'm adding so much. I'm adding bark, orchid bark, and also I'm adding perlite. But we also need the soil to be nutritious. So that is why I put the worm casting in there. And I think it looks pretty well mixed. So I am going to start with this alocasia, and because she is just barely new, I'm gonna try not to hurt the roots. So I'm just gonna look how healthy the roots are. Yeah, this plant is in such a good condition. So I don't want to disturb the roots. So I'm just going to have her just kind of right how she is. So I'm going to kind of Yeah, this is just how I do it without hurting pot that it came with. I don't want to hurt the plant or the root, so, but it can get nutritious from the soil too. So this is how I'm going to put it. Now, I just need the water. So here's my allocation in the middle. And then I have, I'm not sure of the name of this, but it's the same kind of allocation, but this is a regular one. You might know the name. I also got this little one. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the leaves. Aren't these beautiful? Yeah, this is the halo. I forgot what type of halo, but yeah. So this one, hopefully, I'm just afraid of the soil because I don't wanna bring anything to contaminate my soil. Anyways, let's check the roots of this. I want to change the pot because this one is full cracked. But do it gently, but firmly. Yeah, I need to trash that. And I don't know if you can see, the roots look okay. But I see the soil, it's, I don't know, I'm not very comfortable with the look of this soil, so I'm just gonna take out as much as I can. And yeah, I'm transferring it into a new pot. Hopefully, she will be better here. Just broke a baby leaf. I thought it's got some root on it. But it So here's my location. Bambino. It's an alocasia pollen. Oh yeah, this one needed to be repotted. Look at how the roots are so healthy and they're everywhere. So I'm going to put this in a bigger pot. Let's put some soil on the bottom. And like I said, you don't want to go and jump into a really big pot because then they won't be able to grasp. The roots won't be able to settle. So we are putting some soil, fresh soil, so we can get some nutrition. Yeah, and it's important that you feed your plants, and the best way to feed them is by getting some really healthy soil. And you know, they belong in the earth and not in water or leca. Once the roots are all grown, you can repot them like this so they can grow healthy. Alright, looks great. I think I'm running out of this size pot, but it's okay. So I have one more alocasia, and I don't know what kind this is. I believe this is, not really sure. But let's see how the roots are. Oh, this barely has any roots, so I better be careful with this. I just finished eating dinner after work. I made dinner, we just finished eating, and now I'm here repotting my pots. But what can we do? They need love and care, so. Oh my god, look at this new leaf. Oh, it's so cute. I had this actually before, but it died on me. It had only one leaf and it died. So hopefully this one died on me again. Alright, so we got so far. We got a lot done today. This alocasia here. Look at this. It's called the Ginda Green Dragon. This is the green dragon. See? And baby, it's a silver dragon. See that? First they become green like this, and then they turn very silver like this. But I think, I don't know, it's not liking something. It's turning yellow on me again. And here is my alocasia dragon, silver dragon. This is my Hoya collection. And I have more Hoyas right here. Zaglonema Valentina. It's my Syngonium, variegated Syngonium. This is, I forgot what the name is. Here's my, I love this. This is an Alocasia Black Velvet. And here is my Alocasia collection. I know it's pretty cramped up here. There's not much space. And I love this one, so beautiful. And I have some peperonia here and some lime philodendron. I have another here. And this is Nikons. And here is more of my Hoyas. And I have here some Birkins and another prayer plant, snake plant. I had this is my begonia collection. Some more Hoyas. My little pig is growing so big. And some more Hoya collection. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys. See you next Thursday.